Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There is a big update from Hexaware. Hexaware is hiring 2022 pass out batch for two different job roles. First job role is graduate engineer trainee, second job role is premier graduate engineer trainee. And both are different job and salary is also different. And year of passing should be 2022 only, and qualification should be either BE, BTech or MCA degree. And what is the detailed eligibility criteria I'll show in this video, so watch full video for better understanding. And job location will be Mumbai, Pune or Chennai. Let's get started. Once you'll click on the apply link, which you'll find in the description box, then you will be redirected to this page. This is the page where they posted the job. Here you need to click here register now. Once you'll click here register now, after that you can see two pop-ups. First one is here you can see a graduate engineer trainee, second one is premier graduate engineer trainee. So let's look about the job description. So I'll click here job description for graduate engineer trainee. So here we can see the job description is here. You can read now. Eligibility is for engineer graduate trainee, for graduate engineer trainee. Year of passing should be BE, BTech or MCA, and ME and MTech candidates are not eligible. Year of passing should be 2022 only. Streams are CS, IT, ECE, EE, EEE, ETC, EIE, ICE, and these branches are not eligible. I mean mechanical, civil, applied branches, allied branches are not eligible. You should have at least 60% in 10th, 12th and in your graduation. No active backlogs. More than 1 year of education gap is not allowed. Okay, so this is the details. Now let me tell you about the job description of premier graduate trainee. So premier graduate trainee, for premier graduate trainee, all the things are same, just only one thing is changed. MCA candidates are also not allowed. Okay, MCA candidates are also not eligible, and for this salary is 6 LPA, and for graduate trainee salary is 4 LPA, and for this salary is 6 LPA. So now how to apply? Just click here apply now, and both the process are same. Suppose you want to click here apply now, click here apply now. Once you click here apply now, then you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to click here start registering. Once you click here start registering, then you need to enter your email ID. I'm just putting some random email ID @gmail.com. okay, after that we need to click here next. Once we click here next, again we need to click here register and apply. After that fill this form. Okay, then click here submit. That's it. Now let me tell you, there is very big announcement from Unacademy. Unacademy is conducting all India mock test for GATE 2022, and they will conduct this mock test on every Sunday from January 2 to January 30, and this mock test is free of cost and you can enroll for free. Link is in the description box. Once you click on that link, then you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to enter your mobile number and then enroll for free. That's it. Here you can see the mock test date. Okay, so test your exam readiness once last time. All India mock test for GATE 2022. After that, another announcement is they are conducting GATE Unacademy Combat for GATE CS and IT. Here you can see they will conduct this Unacademy Combat on 26 December at 11 AM. There will be total 20 questions you need to solve in 60 minutes, and question type will be MCQ type. Eligible branches are mechanical, civil, ECE, EE, CS and IT, and 100 lucky participants to win exciting rewards. And you can win a Apple iPad, JBL headphones, Samsung tab, JBL speakers, Amazon watches and much more. Just use my referral code, that is ANUTIW10. okay, so you will find link in the description box, and apply link is also in the description box. This is the apply link. Okay, here you can see, here you need to click here enroll. Now once you click here enroll now, then based on your branch you can enroll. Okay, you need to enter your mobile number and or email ID. That's it. Okay, and in the invite code use my referral code. You will find link in the description box. After, another thing is GATE Unacademy is conducting GATE new batches and starting new batches, and there are few batches which are already started from 22nd December 2021. So if you use my referral code, then you will get 10% discount on GATE and ESE subscription. Okay, so now let me tell you how to use 10% description. Okay, and how to get 10% off. So you need to click here get subscription. Once you click here get subscription, then here you will find two options. First one is plus, second one is iconic. There are very benefits of plus and iconics, and in the iconics you will get all the benefits of plus. In addition, you will get 1v1 live classes, live mentorship. Okay, and another is live doubt solving, online study material. These are the benefits of iconic. Suppose you want to select plus, then click here select plus. After that, here you can see 24 months plan, 18-month plans, or 12 months plan, and there are few some more plans also. So if you use my referral code, that is ANUTIW10, once you use my referral code, click apply, then here you can see we got 10% off. So if you want to get this subscription, so you don't forget to use this referral code, okay, because you will get 10% discount, and 10% discount is a huge amount. Okay, after that there are very benefits of get Unacademy subscription. So you can you can ask your doubts, talk your favorite educators in a live class, and clear your all doubts. Okay, and in the iconic subscription you will get 1v1 mentorship platform, and there are special class features like interactive live classes, poll for the learners, never miss a class, lecture notes anytime anywhere. So that's it from my side. So while filling the form, if you face any difficulties, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel, which you will find the link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.